Students, today we will do question 5 of exercise 14.2. Here we have three terms in the expression and we are splitting the middle term, and how we will see the middle term which would be out of these three terms. If we have any variable just like p we have here we are observing the term p is having the power 2. Here p is having the power 1, and here no p means p is raised to power 0. So first we have to observe that all the variables should be in the sequence power wise, like 2, 1 and then 0. So this would be called your middle term. Now we will split the middle term. It means this middle term will be divided into two parts in such a way that product of both the parts would be the product of first and third term of the expression. As we are observing, the product of first and third is, we will take their signs also. Plus and plus gives you plus, so p square into 8 gives you 8p square. Now we will split 6p in such a way that product of both the terms would be your 8p square. Now 6p we have the combination like 1p plus 5p, 2p plus 4p, 3p plus 3p, and reverse order like 4p plus 2p. So we will see only these. See what the product of 1p and 5p, that gives you, now if we will see 1p into 5p, that gives you 5p square. Like if we will see the product 2p into 4p, that gives you 8p square, and this gives you 3p into 3p, 9p square. So we are observing this combination gives the product as 8p square. So we will split this middle term with this combination, that gives you 2p plus 4p. No matter if you are writing here 4p and 2p, but the answer of these two should be this one. So now we will make the group of two terms as we have learned in question number 3. Now we will take p common from this, p plus 2, and from these two we will take 4 common, that gives you p plus 2. Now we are observing these two brackets are same, so we will take this bracket as common. So p plus 2 would be common and we are left with p plus 4. So this is your factorization of the given expression. Now we have an example. In the previous example we have observed that we were having the coefficient of this variable with power 2. The coefficient was 1, but here we have different coefficient, means other than 1, and we are taking this example as an extra example. It's not in your NCERT book. So we are taking here that first term which have the coefficient 2. Now we are observing the first and third, this and this multiply gives you minus 24x square. Now we will split the middle term in such a way that product of both parts would be your product of first and third term, which is minus 24x square. Now we need 5 in the middle term, not 5 exactly, we need minus 5. Now minus 5x, how we will get the combination? See 5, we will get 5 as 5x, 6x minus 1x gives you 5, but it's see 6x minus 1x gives you 5, but we need minus 5, so we will write here minus and here plus. So minus 6 plus 1 gives you minus 5, minus 4 minus 1, that gives you minus 5, minus 8x plus 3x gives you minus 5. Like this we will make more combination, like minus 3x minus 2x also gives you minus 5x. You can see more combination also, but we will see the product must be this one. See minus 6x into 1x, minus 6x into 1x gives you the product minus 6x square. Here minus 4x into minus 1x gives you 4x square. Minus 8x plus 3x gives you minus 24x square. Here minus 3x into minus 2x gives you plus 6x square. So this combination gives you the product as minus 24x square, and addition will be minus 5x. So place of this middle term we will write here minus 8x plus 3x minus 12. Now we will make the combination of these two terms and these two terms. From these two we will take 2x common, left part would be x minus 4, From these two we will take 3 common and left part would be x minus 4. Now these two brackets are same, so x minus 4 will be common and we are left with here 2x plus 3. So this is a factorization of the given expression.